land. There it comes.
As soon as I turned the phone off.
We had 3 really close lightning strikes.
Super dog.
I mean, it rocked our world. Hang on, I gotta pause my learn how to fish video since I can't catch any dang fish.
That's funny. Some things are just funny.
Yeah, we're having a thunder roll and a goalie washer.
Well, I tell you get out to the country.
Woo. That lightning bolt, well, last one before we started recording, it was right here. We saw the flash and heard the boom at the same time.
But you know it'll stop since I turned the phone off.
I know. We had 3 of them left. Boom, 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 boom.
You can kind of see the trees back there.
Our car's getting a car wash.
Our car gets washed every day.
It still looks filthy.
Damn!
I was like right there.
Okay, we got one. Yes.
Woo! There's a tree exploded out there somewhere. That was right there in the woods. The bunnies are like, what the heck?
And my dumb butt wouldn't sit off black cats on the 4th of July because I was scared that it would scare the bunnies.
I'm hoping the bunnies don't have a heart attack. Poor things.
I'm staying on. Something happens, I want my life preserved. Facebook.
Facebook's preserved my life.
Jeremy's like, I didn't roll up the window in the car. I'm like,
shoot! Woo, there's another one. Here it comes. Oh, man.
You want storms, come to Mississippi.
I'm telling you.
Because Nebraska's going to blow away. 84 mile hours. No, I think we're good.
Like I said, we're having a thunder roll and goalie washer. Woo.
So remember this?
That makes the hairs on your arms stand up.
That's what gives you goosebumps.
That didn't give me goosebumps. That made me have hair raised. My goosebumps has goosebumps. That was like really good. You can smell burnt ozone. Woo.
I told you it was coming this way. It was a good line. We touch nothing metal, and we do not pee during this time.
And we usually turn off all the power. We're in a camper.
Yeah, my phone's not good enough to actually catch. Shit!
Holy crap!
Okay, now you go back to the...
That actually messed with our electricity there for a second.
I noticed. I'm telling you, you want lightning.
Woo, doggy.
Which is one thing I'm after with storms, lightning,
tornadoes,
hurricanes. Not so good with the earthquake idea. Did everything come back? Unplugged? Okay, nothing's plugged in, right?
No, that's not plugged in. The fan is.
And then the fan explodes. Ugh, close strikes. Shoot! Jeremy?
Woo, doggy.
Flip the radar on the other phone.
Oh my God, people. We very rarely get footage like this. Hopefully you guys can see it.
Well, they can see the rain. They can probably see the flashes of lightning.
Oh my God. We never get it this much.
No, Jeremy's like, turn on the phone again. It'll do it again. I thought,
I told her. I said, hurry, get to go live. We're going to see some more. Holy mackerel. That was right at the park, too. There's another one.
She's not as bad, though. Yeah, don't touch anything metal. Stay away from the bathrooms. Don't do dishes.
Stay away from the water.
Yeah, that one was a little further away. Yeah, and these idiots take their boats out on the lake and they go, this is going to be fun, they said.
Yeah, and then they flood. There's our weather. There's our radar.
How far are we into it? Oh, you guys. Here, turn it around. I can't
zoom in so you can see where we're at.
I'm so watching outside. I don't understand. 'Cause we have a CB antenna on top of our car. Figured that's a
it's actually a lightning rod. Okay, here's our radar. Where it says Weston, there's a blue spot. We're basically in the middle of the screen.
How far behind is it?
This is Weatherbug.
Yeah, Weatherbug's
It's
been acting weird.
10:56, and it's going all the way up to 10:50, so it's 6 minutes behind.
Weatherbug's been acting weird. We're trying to
It's
find
a
a
free
new app.
You can't complain. Really, you can't. Not on a free
Well,
app.
they did tell us, and well, first they said today's going to be mostly cloudy, and you're not going to get any rain.
That's what they said originally.
I'm looking at the radar going, I think we might get rain.
There's another one.
Oh my God, the big ones.
That one was close. It's 82 degrees. It feels like 96.
I don't think it was.
And according to Weatherbug, right now we have a 60% chance of storms.
They need to go look out their windows.
Yeah. That's what happened when you get a free app. It's not going to give you the most fair. But, you know, like I said, you get what you pay for.
Okay, I'm going to finish the video.
Yeah, I think the storm's moved over. That was just a quick run.
This is every morning here, though. Never mind.
Not every morning, but close to it. Yeah, it's moving off.
Alright, guys. We're getting off.
That was our goalie washer.
We love everyone. Thank you for sharing in the boom booms. That's what we call them.
Boom, boom, boom.